The crossroads of survival, a journey of choices. It was a blistering summer day. A lone wanderer pushed through an endless desert, parched, weary, and hopeless. The sun bore down mercilessly, his energy dwindling as he staggered onward, clutching onto a sliver of hope. Despite the odds, he knew stopping wasn't an option. Through his haze, a hut appeared in the distance. His heart raced. Was it salvation or a cruel mirage? Fighting doubt with determination, he reached the hut, only to find it abandoned. His spirits lifted once more upon discovering a hand pump, only to falter when it failed to bring water. In the corner lay a bottle of water and a note. Use this water to prime the pump and refill the bottle for others before moving on. Beside it, a map revealed the next water source, miles away. Now came a defining moment. Should he drink the water, choosing immediate relief, but jeopardizing his future journey and others' hope? Or invest in the pump, trusting the unknown and leaving a path for others to follow? Adventure enthusiasts, the choice reflects our internal decision-making models, short-term gains or long-term vision. What would your courage decide?